My name is Ned.
Hello, Ned.
It's been 4,000 days since my last...
Penny Parker.
It was my first and last.
Ned, did you clip Ann Landers today?
I love children.
Ned!
I was more animal than man.
Penny Parker.
Has ruined my life. I'm 31 years old. My name is
UG Plays.
just here because the court made me come.
UG Plays.
Our help, you'll never touch a
Penny Parker.
again.
Hot, who not? Tell me who rock, who sell out in the stores. You tell me who flop, who cop the blue drop, who jewels got blocks, who's mostly Dolce down to the blue top. The same old pimp, Mace, you know ain't nothing changed but my limp. Can't stop till I see my name on the blimp. Guarantee a million shells full of level up. You don't believe in Harlem World, nigga, double up. We don't play around, it's a bet, lay it down. Niggas didn't know me 91, bet they know me now. I'm the young Harlem nigga with the Goldie sound. Can't no PD, niggas hold me down. Cooler, school me to the game, now I know my duty. Stay humble, stay low, blow like Woody. True pimp, niggas spin no dough on the booty. And when you yell, there go Mace, there go your cutie. Call all the shots, rip all the spots, rock all the rocks, cop all the drops. I know you're thinking now when all the ball is stopped. Nigga never home, gotta call me on the yacht. 10 years from now, we'll still be on top. Yo, I thought I told you that we won't stop. Now what you gonna do when it's cool? I got money much longer than yours, and a team much stronger than yours. Violate me, this a BO day. We don't play, mess around, be DOA, be on your way. Cause it ain't enough time here, ain't enough lime here for you to shine here. Deal with many women, but treat down's fair, and I'm bigger than the city.
I'm a big fan of yours. It's not you, it's the character. I have to send you to the sister roster permanently.
Yeah, I think Thor is asked. Nah, Magneto sucks. That Penny Parker is being slept on, and that you guys are falling for the top streamers' opinions. And you're like sheep. Wake up and realize that Penny Parker has one of, if not the strongest abilities in the entire game.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No info for the DEA. Federal agents mad cause I'm flagrant. Tap myself and the phone in the basement. My team supreme, stay clean. Triple beam, miracle dream. I be that. Catch a seat at all events bent. Gats and holsters, girls on shoulders. Playboy, I told ya. Me and Mike's to me. Bruise too much, I lose too much. Step on stage, the girls boo too much. I guess it's cause you run with lame dudes too much. Me lose my touch, never that. If I did, ain't no problem to get the gap where the true players at. Throw your rollies in the sky, wave them side to side, and keep your hands high while I give your girl an eye. Play it please, lyrically, nigga C, B-I-G-B flossing, jig on the cover of Fortune, 500. That's my phone number, your man, I got the know, I got the dough, got the flow down, pizzazz, platinum plus, like Zizak, dangerous, on Trizak, leave your ass pizzazz.
I have an army. We have a racist Chinese man.
Dr. Banner, now might be a really good time for you to...
Racist.
That's my secret, Captain. I'm always...
Racist.
Ni hao, nigga.
今天卡起枪唱协着，心相连的32岁了装个当朝，驸马郎的旗帜王啊，满皇上的徽，2岁了装个当朝。今天卡起枪唱协着，心相连的32岁了装个当朝，驸马郎的旗帜王啊，满皇上的徽，2岁了装个当朝。今天卡起枪唱协着，心相连的32岁了装个当朝，驸马郎的旗帜王啊，满皇上的徽，2岁了装个当朝。今天卡起枪唱协着，心相连的32岁了装个当朝，驸马郎的旗帜王啊，满皇上的徽，2岁了装个当朝。今天卡起枪唱协着，心相连的32岁了装个当朝，驸马郎的旗帜王啊，满皇上的徽，2岁了装个当朝。今天卡起枪唱协着，心相连的32岁了装个当朝，驸马郎的旗帜王啊，满皇上的徽，2岁了装个当朝。今天卡起枪唱协着，心相连的32岁了装个当朝，驸马郎的旗帜王啊，满皇上的徽，2岁了装个当朝。今天卡起枪唱协着，心相连的32岁了装个当朝，驸马郎的旗帜王啊，满皇上的徽，2岁了装个当朝。今天卡起枪唱协着，心相连的32岁了装个当朝，驸马郎的旗帜王啊，满皇上的徽，2岁了装个当朝。
You're the most fucking expensive camel.
Sandstone.
Like what?
Lincoln, we have a mission.
Every option shot, everything's dead. Naughty bopping, poking my head, talking Charlie, holding my slip. Say, move, this shit got it kicked and I mixed it with eat on 9 nigga lit. Pull the fire, you come through the mix if I catch little wits, I'm being that bitch. Like she wanted just fucking on 50 to step, little bitch to the state out the
Catch a bullet who bigger than me, I'ma spit through the A tryna dump on the G. I'm in B, I could get super C's, I've insist on him up and knock him off his feet. Late nights on the hill, I'm tryna creep, if I catch little DD, put him right to sleep. Hop up the feet, put the beat to his beat, tryna catch me a O and knock him off the seat. On the hill, where they at, bitch, I'm looking for O's, they looking for Max. Go get your hit, let it cop like 14 dot. Get back like niggas keep dissing and making these tracks, but they never put on, that's a fact. The fuck is a duty, Lord, that nigga whack, if I catch little D, I leave him where he at like naughty bopping, poking my head, smoking Charlie, all of my slip. Say, Woo, this shit got it kicked and I mix it with eat, I know a nigga lit. Call a file, let's go spit through the mix. If I catch little winter, I'm being that bitch. Like she watching just fucking on 50 to 7, little bitch that stayed out the mix. And she smoking the bush, she shot. Bitches vibing what they really not. How the fuck she talking on the Fox when bro made a hop and cap and beat the ball? Like dirty bitch, she talking on the wax, little real right bullet, knock her out of sock. Still taking trays, that little bitches pop. Ain't nobody believing it stop. I'ma hop up with the beat to the top. Tryna leave a gunner on the page. And there ain't nobody on the 8, so we took a trip and spun right through the hay. All that shoes, knock off his braids. I'm smoking on Naughty and Lottie and Kane. Ball me when we try to let it frame like we tryna put a hollow through his brain like rah-rah beans, yellow, dummy. All of them niggas got rap like a mummy. Nick, Lilo, Ray, Dubsky. 2 of them niggas got hair in they tummy. Wayne, Maxie, AJ, Bustin'. So many niggas got hair in they muffin. And these niggas still ain't doing nothing. He try to push up on me so I crushed him. AOTG, let's stop, we gon' hop up the stolly, throw him more than 9. And these niggas not spinning the 5. I'm not gon' say it again, niggas lie. People up and tryna leave him 5. He try to run, got hit up in his spine. Catch a bullet and demon on time. I'ma spin through the scene with the cleats do him slime like boom. I be outside. Like what the fuck? Like everything dead. Now he poppin', both of my head. Smoking Charlie, over my slip. Say, boom, this shit got it kicked and I mix it with eat, I know I did it late. Pull up, let's go spin through the mix. If I catch little winter, I'm being that bitch. Like she watching just fucking on 50 to 7, little bitch that stayed out the mix. Like what? Like every shot. Like MBMB.
What you cooking?
Ay, when I see you, I'ma push your shit back, boy. Chopper get the spitting through your set, we don't fight, boy. 12 paramedics couldn't save your fucking life, boy. Rod K dead and he never coming back, boy. We gon' treat this bitch like a match, how we strike, boy. Left his ass in the street, this the end of your life, boy. Last thing your ass see a flashlight and it's mic, bro. These niggas soft as hell, all these niggas they just act hard. I'ma shoot this bitch when I motherfucking see you. I don't go nowhere without my motherfucking heat, cool. Smoking on Lil Peter, I was smoking Trey D2. Free my nigga Max till they motherfucking free you. Knock a nigga out, boy, you could get your ass beat too. Lil' hoe, you trippin', baby girl, I don't need you. You could walk 1,000 miles and I still don't wanna see you. I got the whole city scared, these niggas know what we do. Ooh, I smoke, baby, ooh, I smoke, Tiki, ooh, I smoke, Lil' Nas, and now I wonder what I offset, got a low, I told her drop that. FNSP, when the head ain't got the cock back. No, I'm smoking G, and one thing, they just can't get them back. In the splat, back to back, in the block, we double back. My killer making space go, that's one thing about queso. I spit the game, boy, you know that shit a case closed. One of them dead boys that said, all I do is say go. Drop a op, drop a thought, any minute, mighty mo. I rockin' when I travel, I'm pistol packing the U. I was lurking on his page and I caught him lacking in Hugh. We let out shots, he got shot and went live. I'm just thinking like, fuck, man, that bitch ain't died. When they diss on 2 times, we gon' spin a few times like 2, 3 for 2, 3, let our rhyme till you die. Jump out that shit with sweet till we find out the drop. Find out where that boy working, then boy clock the mind. Ooh, I smoke, baby, ooh, I smoke, Tiki, ooh, I smoke, Lil' Nas, and now I wonder.
I'm sorry!
Good morning, Logan.
Just like animals, animals, like animals, moles. Maybe you think that you can hide. I can smell yourself for miles. Just like animals, animals, like animals, moles. Baby, I'm back. So what you trying to do to me? It's like we can't stop, we're enemies. I know we get along, but I'm inside you. Hey, you're like a drug that's killing me. I cut you out entirely, but I get so high when I'm inside you. Yeah, you can start over, you can run free, you can find other fish in the sea, you can pretend. Baby, I'm playing on you tonight. Hunt you down, eat you alive. Just like animals, animals like animals move. So maybe you think that you can hide. I can smell yourself from miles. Just like animals, animals like animals move. Baby, don't tell no lie, la la la. You can't deny, na na na. That beast inside, side side side. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No girl, don't lie, la la la. You can't deny, na na na. That beast inside, side side side. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I think he's lying. Is that a gram?
New card. What do you think?
Woohoo. Very nice. Look at that.
Picked them up from the printers yesterday.
Good coloring.
That's bone. And the lettering is something called Cillian Braille.
It's very cool, Bateman, but that's nothing. Look at this. That is really nice.
The tasteful thickness of it. Oh my God. It even has a watermark.
Something wrong?
But they should, because it's not just about the pleasures of conformity and the importance of trends. It's also a personal statement about the band itself. Hey, Paul! Ah!
Ain't this what they've been waiting for? You ready? I used to pray for times like this, to rhyme like this, so I had to grind like that, to shine like this. In a matter of time I spent on some locked up shit in the back of the paddy wagon, cuffs locked on wrist. See my dreams unfold, nightmares come true. It was time to marry the game, and I said, yeah, I do. If you want it, you gotta see it with a clear eye view. Got shorty, she tryin' bless me like I said I chew. Like a nigga sneeze, nigga please for them trick to squeeze, I'm getting cream. Never let them hoes get in between of what we started. Little nigga, but I'm lying hearted. They love me when I was stuck and they hated when I departed. I go and get it regardless. Draw it like I'm an artist, no crawling, went straight to walking with foreigns in my garages are foreign bitches menaging, fucking sucking and swallowing anything for $1. They tell me get him, I got him. I did it without an album. I did shit with Mariah. Little nigga, I'm on fire. Icy as a hockey ring, Philly nigga, I'm flyer. When I bought the Rolls Royce, they thought it was lease. Then I bought that new Ferrari, hey, to rest in peace. Hey, to rest in peace to the parking lot. Phantom so big, can't even fit in the parking spot. You ain't talking about my niggas, then what you talking about? Gangsters move in silence, nigga, and I don't talk a lot. I don't say a word. I don't say a word, was on my grind and now I got what I deserve. Fuck nigga, hold on, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished. When I bought the ass tomorrow, y'all thought it was rented. Flexing on these niggas, I'm like Popeye on the spinach. Double M, yeah, that's my T-Rose. Hey, the captain, I'm lieutenant. I'm the type of can the men cast and grind like I'm broke. That Lambo, my new bitch, she'll ride like my ghost. I'm riding around my city with my hands strapped on my toes. Cause these niggas want me dead, and I gotta make it back home. Cause my mama need that bill money, my son needs some milk. These niggas try to take my life, they fuck around, get killed. You fuck around, you fuck around, you fuck around, get smoked. Cause these Philly niggas I bought with me don't fuck around, no joke. No, all I know is murder. When it come to me, I got young niggas that's rolling, I got niggas throwing bees. I done did the DOS, I done did the KODs. Every time I'm in that bitch, I get to throwing 30 G's. But now I'm hanging out that drop head, I'm riding down no collar. They let my nigga earn back home, that young nigga be wildin'. We young niggas, we mobbin', like Batman and we're robbing. This two-door Maybach with my seat on reclining, I'm like, real nigga, what up? Real nigga, wood up. If you ain't about that murder game, then pussy nigga, shut up. If you dip me in your rats, I get your pussy ass stuck up. When you touch down in my hood, no, that tour life ain't good. Kept me down in MIA. And that heat game on wood. With that Puma life on my feet. Like that little engine I could. Boy, I slide down in your block. Back on 12 o'clock. And they be throwing deuces on the same nigga they watch. And I'm the king of my city, cause I'm still calling them shots. And these lanes talking that bullshit, the same niggas that flop. I'm the same nigga from First Street with them neck braids that lock. The same nigga that came up and I had to wait for my spot. And these niggas hating on me, hoes waiting on me. Still on that hood shit, my Rolls Royce on E, they gon' remember me. I say remember me. So much money at your friends turn to your enemy. And when this beef, I turn my enemies to memories. With them bricks, they go for 40, ain't no 10 the key. Hold up, broke nigga turn rich. Love the game like Mitch. And if I leave, you think dumb pretty hoes gon' still suck my dick. It was something about that rollie when it first touched my wrist. Had me feeling like that dope boy when he first touched that brick. I'm gone.
Wow, 4 in a row. Control loss.
My Enemy Armani. My Ekal Arnon. In the shade of cherry blossom trees, they said the Spider Island could never be conquered. In the land of vibranium and kings, they said Wakanda could never be humbled. In the realm of symbiote and shock, they said Clintar could never be tamed. Now they say nothing. They fear me, like a force of nature, a dealer in thunder and death. He say, I am Soju Crab. I am the macro player.
Everybody needs a hand sometimes.
Lights out.
My time to shine. Help, friends. Destroy these hunks as soon as you see them.
Tojo Hideki, Diddy, Joe Biden, Faker. You know what they all have in common? They're as bad as the W key, okay? Just imagine that.
They don't look friendly. Double KO! That's 3!
What if I wanted to break? Laugh it all off and